I'm Jake Riffel with Great Plains Manufacturing. I'm the engineering manager for the planter product line, and I'm really excited to announce the new Great Plains PL5500 front fold planter. This planter features really narrow road transport at under 10 feet, so it's narrower than a lot of the tractors that you're going to be pulling it with. Quick deployment when you get to the field, and the versatility of 2 different fertilizer options, so dry or liquid, to cover whatever your farming operation's based on. This planter really likes to get out and get to work quickly, get in the ground. It offers the features that growers want in a nice, tidy package that's easy to get down the road safely and reliably. So this features 2 200-gallon liquid fertilizer tanks that are easy to fill with a quick port in the rear, and then that's distributed out to each row with a VisiGauge from John Blue setup. We found this system to be a lot more reliable and a lot more user-friendly than others on the market, and we fit this from the factory for our planter, so our dealers don't have to set this up. This planter comes ready to work. So this planter features a number of things that allow you to hook up to any tractor, whether that's green, red, blue, or yellow, what have you. We really want to be there for whatever the farmer's running on his farm. So we start at the front with 4 different hitch options, so with single point or 2-point hitches, category 2 or 3. And then we also feature an isobus system that's been thoroughly tested with the Pro 700, the John Deere 2630 or Gen 4s, ag leaders, or what have you. So we really have a lot of compatibility in this thing, so that way when the farmer gets it, he's able to get it hooked up, it's ready to work, and it's ready to go to the field.